Excuse me. I smell stinkies. Did you poop? Did you poop? You did? Did you make poop? What you want, cat? What? What you want? What's over here? What? You're not going outside, cat. No, you can't go out there. Well, I guess because you went out there earlier and you forgot to shut the door. Well, maybe next time you'll learn your lesson. I don't believe you. Okay, fine. Well, if you promise, shut the door on your way out. Alright, you can go outside.
Why is his tail all puffed up? He's going to get into a catastrophe out there.
Hey dude, what you doing? You don't know?
Getting some sun?
Come on, Cass, get outside. You've been yelling about getting outside, and now you're going to run back inside.
What?
That's going to be our lemon tray. We planted lemon seeds in there. Cat, get out here.
He's eating grass.
That means he's going to throw up in a little bit.
He's always throwing up.
But he always eats grass and then throws up. This one too. Did you get the one in the fire pit?
No, that one's not growing. That one is a dead one.
Oh.
Just put it in there because it's going to be firewood.
Is there a pot? Repeat what you just said.
You said let's name the plants.
Why?
Because they're alive, they should have names.
Okay.
So we should name them.
Okay, so what do you think we should name the fig?
Like plant babies.
What should be the fig tree's name?
Well, the fig tree's like the king of all of them, so he should have a regal name. Like King Patrick.
No. No.
King Reginald.
Okay.
You been a good boy sitting here waiting for me to clean? Yeah? Did you wait? Did you wait? Did you wait? Oh! Hey! You smacked me. You smacked me. Can I have a kiss? Oh, you did a kiss. Oh, you did a kiss. Can I have another kiss? No, come on. Give me a kiss. That's not a kiss. Ow. Okay. Say bye, everybody. Say bye. Bye. Bye-bye. 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 Come on. Close it up. Ready? Here it comes. Throw it to Mommy. Come on. Ready? Get it. Throw it to me. Show Daddy how good you do. Come on. Come on, throw it to me. Throw it to me.